Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets. Kids class name: blue color, black color, red color, yellow color, green color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for bat, B for ball. C. C for cat, C for cow. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use black color and draw 3. T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, black color, yellow color, green color, and white color. Kids now coloring 1 to 3. Kids first draw 1 and use red color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3. T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color. Blue color. Seven. The numbers of 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. 9. Kids again use blue color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. Black color. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use black color and draw 13. 14. And last draw 15. The numbers of 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.